If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on WooCommerce, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check payment gateway settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review SSL certificate. Make sure your website has a valid SSL certificate. An SSL certificate is essential for secure transactions. Check if your site URL starts with https:// and if not, consider obtaining and installing an SSL certificate. Step 3. Update WooCommerce and plugins. Ensure that your WooCommerce plugin and any related payment gateway plugins are up to date. Go to the plugin section in your WordPress dashboard and update any outdated plugins to ensure compatibility and security. Step 4. Test in sandbox mode. If your payment gateway offers a sandbox or test mode, switch to that mode to conduct test transactions. This will help you determine if the issue is with the payment gateway itself or your site's configuration. Step 5. Check for conflicting plugins or themes. Deactivate all other plugins except WooCommerce and switch to a default theme like Storefront. Then test the payment process again. If it works, reactivate your plugins one by one to identify any conflicts. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to your payment gateway support for further assistance.